Hello and welcome to Cybrary. We provide the tools and resources you need to achieve your career goals. Whether you're looking to expand your skill set, earn a certification, or build a career in cybersecurity, Cybrary's got you covered. Today, we're excited to introduce you to our SOC Analyst I career path. This career path consists of many different learning opportunities, including video courses, virtual labs, and assessments designed to help you develop the core skills and gain the hands-on experience you need to become a SOC analyst. There are many levels of SOC analysts, so it's important to note that this career path covers an entry-level SOC analyst position. Now, if you're looking to start your career in cybersecurity, you may not know what a SOC analyst is. A SOC analyst is a cybersecurity professional in an organization's security operations center and is focused on frontline threat detection and analysis. Your primary duty is to ensure that your organization's digital assets are secure and protected. You'll monitor data to identify suspicious activity and assess security systems for weaknesses. The average salary for a SOC Analyst I is $71,000. Completing the SOC Analyst I career path will enable you to develop skills such as threat intelligence, network monitoring, and vulnerability scanning, learn tools like Wireshark, earn a CompTIA Security Plus certification, and apply for SOC Analyst I and other entry-level information security analyst roles. In addition to helping you attain the real-world skills hiring managers are looking for, Cybrary connects your development to real job opportunities. Our community of mentors will review your LinkedIn profile or resume, prepare you for common interview questions, and connect the dots between your accomplishments on Cybrary and your career ambitions. Your Cybrary membership grants you unlimited access to over 1,500 learning opportunities to help you develop skills that make you more marketable. We encourage you to develop and dive into anything that piques your interest. Now that you're about to start your first course, set yourself up for success by setting aside time each day to continue to make progress within your career path. Consistency is key. And remember, the Cybrary community is here to support you, so you're never learning alone. Let's get started. You've got this.